I'm gonna show you how to configure the RSI indicator using the BabyPips approach. The RSI is a momentum oscillator that helps you identify overbought and oversold conditions. It ranges from 0 to 100, and it's one of the most popular tools among forex traders.
So, to get started, open your trading view or MetaTrader, then add the RSI indicator to your chart. You can add it by searching RSI, then just click to add on it. Now configure the settings. BabyPips recommends using the default period of 14, which calculates the RSI over the last 14 candles or bars. And then set your RSI levels. The standard overbought level is 70 and oversold is 30. These are the levels BabyPips sticks with in their strategy examples. Some traders also add a midline at 50 to help identify the overall trend. If price is above 50, the trend may be up, and below 50, it may be down. And that's it. You're now set up to use the RSI just like the pros at BabyPips. That's how to configure the RSI indicator on BabyPips.